Brad Williams, XL Primed. What's the next movie and its release date? We have two different outcomes. One, the date, and then the movie. This is just random stuff. Doesn't mean a whole bunch. Just some movies. There's going to be some duplicates, and not to worry about that. We have an F9. We have release date. We have the actual movie. Here we have trailer in our name ranges. Trailer 690, D5 to B14, and the release date, D5 to D14. Here we have just a random date. Here is our first output, which is date. What we're going to do is we're just going to say, why don't we find this minimum number? How do we find this particular next movie? We're going to use min. We have an if statement, trying to find the truth. Release 690 if greater than equal to D2. Show that release. And here is what we're going to see, F9. This number here, F9. And you're going to see false, 4747. This represents dates greater than this 4/11/2029. And then min comes in and just finds the lowest number, the lowest date. And that happens to be 4/20/29, 4/20/29. We're going to use index and match. It's going to look up this particular date. We're going to look at match G5, and then release 690. Over here are movies. Then index is just going to grab that row and say it's Avatar. Got it? You can read it if you need it. There's some tips in there. The anatomy should be familiar. Easy, simple walking grounds, and hit F9 if you want to update this thing or change it. Brad Williams, XL Prime, thanks for watching.